At Karrikins Group, when we talk about how we lead together, we're asking leadership teams to lean in and figure out between them, across functional areas, across P&Ls, between geographies, how can they take the best advantage of all of the success practices, all of the learnings, all of the capabilities, all of the resources that exist in each of their verticals, and bring those together so that they can address the risks and the opportunities that exist in their market. When you leave the how unattended, when you don't define it, when you don't say these are specifically our ways of working and how we lead together, you miss all of the chances that you have to get into alignment to reach your most ambitious goals. It's a worthy investment and it's a worthy ask of your time to complete your diamond triangle and be able to know not only what you're going to do and why you're doing it, but also how to do it together.